If you buy too much car, you're going to wind up strapped for cash with only a rapidly depreciating asset to show for it. You don't want to make this mistake. Hello and welcome to Practical Personal Finance. My name is Andrew Scheer, and this is where I give you the information you need to understand and succeed with money. There are a lot of choices out there when it comes to cars, and if you find yourself shopping for a vehicle, you're probably wondering what you can afford. Today, I'm going to help you determine how much to spend on your next car. Before I get started, do me a big favor and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, then hit that subscribe button. You're about to learn something new about money. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that are about how much you can afford to spend on a vehicle. Many of them talk about the 20-40-10 rule, the 50-30-20 rule, gross income, net income, percentages, calculations. All these recommendations are too complex. A simple question deserves a simple answer. You want to know how much car you can afford? Take a look at your bank account. Look at the total amount you have saved in there. That amount is the amount you can afford to spend on a car. That's it. If you can't afford to pay for a certain car in cash, you can't afford that car, period. You might be in a situation where your bank account is literally empty. I understand that. If that's you, one of the worst possible things you can do is walk into a car dealership, drive home in a new car, and spend the next 7 years of your life paying off a car you couldn't afford. Because that dealer will give you an 84-month term to get you the lowest payments. I can hear the objections now, but I need a car to get to work every day. Take the bus. Problem solved. But there aren't any bus lines near where I live. Get a ride from one of your coworkers. Pay for their gas. Problem solved. But none of my coworkers are willing to carpool. Get a bike. Get a different job. Move closer to your current job so that you can walk. All of these are possible solutions to the problem you're facing. Now, if you're straight broke and you really and truly cannot go without a car, then here's what you do. You find a local small bank or credit union that will give you a loan to buy a used car. Make sure that they're all right with you buying a car that's up to 10 years old and has over 100,000 miles on the odometer. Not every bank or credit union will do this kind of loan, so you might need to do some searching. You get approved for a loan of no more than $8,000 with the shortest term they'll give you, absolutely nothing longer than 3 years. And then you go and buy the cheapest Honda or Toyota you can find within the model year and mileage limits of your loan. Once you get the vehicle, you pay that loan off as fast as humanly possible. If you got to get a second job, you get a second job. If you got to sell some stuff, you sell some stuff. Just get that loan out of your life so you can own that car free and clear. Guys and gals, when you purchase a vehicle, what you're getting is something that depreciates or goes down in value as it gets older and as you use it. And the newer a vehicle is, the faster it's going to depreciate. That's bad enough. When you take out a loan to purchase a vehicle, you're paying a bank interest fees every single month for the privilege of owning a depreciating asset. That's a double whammy for your net worth. So don't make the mistake of financing a vehicle. And if you've truly got no other option, then take out the minimum amount for the least expensive vehicle that will reliably get you from point A to point B. Do you think it's ever a good idea to finance a car? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, you might enjoy this other one about how I got out of a car lease and got paid $1,000. You can watch that one right here. And if you're not already a PPF subscriber, then click right here. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Scheer, and I'll see you next time.